Hello everyone, I'm Shakil Ahmed.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to give a special thanks to my honorable teacher. Thank you, ma'am, for this opportunity. In this pandemic situation, we work green economy project. This makes me busy and I enjoyed it. This is Riyan Shajib Miha from Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Green University of Bangladesh. Now I will discuss about my green economy project, that is opportunity cost. And this video is a part of a GED 301 Engineering Economics. Let's see my green economy project. This is initial stage of green chili pepper, puishak and coriander leaves. And this is present stage of green chili pepper, puishak and coriander leaves. Puishak and coriander leaves both are healthy, but green chili pepper tree not change. If I don't do this project, then spend my time by watching movie or sleeping. This is not helpful for me. In this time, if I spend my time by plantation, then I will get some fresh vegetable and refreshment. On other hand, this is our course project work and I get number by this plantation. So this is more benefited for me. Better than watching movie or sleeping. That's why I am doing this. That's all of mine. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Marjia Sultana Mitu, a student of Computer Science and Engineering Department at Green University of Bangladesh. Today, I will telling you a topic of my project, that is free rider problem, and this video is a part of our GED 301 Engineering Economics course. Now, what is free rider problem? Basically, free rider problem is a type of market failure that occurs when those people who are benefited from resource, public good or private good without paying for them. Now, I will telling you how people benefited from my tree without paying for it. That means the basic relationships of free rider problem from my tree plantation. Now, let's see my tree plantation. That was the initial stage of our plantation here, coriander leaf, puishak leaves, and that was the middle stage of coriander leaf, puishak leaves, and also sweet potato. Now it's growing up, and this is the present stage of our plantation. Me and my mom take care in this plantation, and this is our private good. One day my uncle came our house and take some fresh coriander leaf and puishak leaf, so he is a free rider and he benefited from private good because this is our private good. And here also I planting some aloe vera and some flower also. That's for me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Jannatul Firdaus, student of Computer Science and Engineering, Green University of Bangladesh. Today I am going to talk about my Green Economics project from the course GED 301 Engineering Economics. In my Green Economics project, I have planted culantro and green chili plant. As we know, culantro leaves are widely used as a food flavoring, but this plant is reportedly rich in calcium, iron, carotene and riboflavin, which is medicinal value for flu, diabetes, constipation and fever. Well, let's move on the green chili, the most common and used vegetable in our country and the subcontinent as well. Simply, we can say we don't cook any food where green chili are absent, and it has a lot of food benefit like rich in antioxidant, antibacterial properties, boost in immunity, calcium rich, and aids in weight loss, helps to keep the skin radiant and young. This Green Economics project I would like to relate to a topic of engineering economics is the tragedy of common. That way this project relates to the tragedy of common is for members of my family. If anyone collect the culantro leaves or green chili gradually day by day, then we can be served for a long time. On the other hand, if someone wishes to have all the goods at once, then resource will destroyed, no resource left. Tragedy occurs in my green economics.
Hello everyone, I am Shakil Ahmed, student of Computer Science and Engineering, Green University of Bangladesh. Today I am going to talk about our Green Economics project from JED 301 Engineering Economics. So let's see our project. When our course teacher announced a sum plantation for engineering economics project, a few days later, let's plant mint leaves and mulberry spinach. Mulberry spinach, there is a lot of fiber which helps to various problems including indigestion, gas, acidity. It contains vitamin C which remove germ from skin, helps in physical growth and as well as keep it hair strong. Mint leaves, the mint leaves offer instant smell of mint. The whole planet, including the roots, leaves, and stem of mint leaves, is full of medical properties. Mint leaves tree is very beneficial in relieving our body pain. Now I am talking about a topic of engineering economics. It is law of demand curve. The law of demand curve is one of the most fundamental concepts in economics. A demand curve shows the relationship between price and quantity demand on a graph. The demand scheduling shows the price and quantity demand decrease. How it is related our project? Suppose when a kilogram mulberry spinach price is 20 taka, then your demand is too high. But when it is 200 taka, then you can't buy mulberry spinach. You can buy fish or meat or other something good.
Hi, I'm Tanvir Rahman, a student of CS Department, Green University of Bangladesh, and this video is a part of our GED 301 Engineering Economics coursework. Today, I will be telling you about the brief story of my green project, the little journey and the trade-offs I had to make for this project. The first trade-off: these were prepared for the flower plants, but for the project I had to trade off. My first collections: green spinach and red spinach. Seeding of the red spinach. The rising was beautiful. Now we can go fast forward. They are growing up. More pictures from that day. A closer look. Sadly, the newborn can't survive in the bad weather and unfriendly surroundings. I got to visit the nursery and had to walk 5 kilometers to get the insecticide from there. Because of that, I had escaped the visit to my aunt's home. Second trade-off. I was so happy after getting the solution. Now again, loop walks for the new beginning. So tell me more about patience in gold. Here comes the green spinach. I had tried a lot, but they died. So I brought a new member, the culantro. Yep, trade-offs of paying me back. They are stronger now. They're busy survivors. Say hi to my green beauty, and I'm staying by. Thanks a lot for being with me in this little journey.